Alright, so let's walk. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please subscribe, consider subscribing, like, and share my video. Leave a comment and I'll respond to all comments. Right, so today is Thursday, January 25th, and we're taking a walk around Battery Park. Battery Park is at the tip of Manhattan in New York City. Let's walk around, let's see what's around here. Alright, I'm right on the harbor, but today is it's a foggy day, so you can't see far out on the water. Alright, your vision is limited, very limited today. Look how close I am to the squirrel. Squirrels are not afraid of people. Sure. In the distance there, I don't know if I can get a clear shot. There's a Statue of Liberty shrouded in mist, shrouded in fog. It's a very foggy day, and right off the water the fog is rising, so you don't see clearly. Skies are cloudy. Even over there on Governor's Island you can't see that too clearly. Right, but let's walk around here and see what's going on. Over there is the Statue of Liberty cruise. Right, so folks can come out here, and it's actually called Statue City Cruise. So you can come out here for a fee. You can go around from over here to the Statue of Liberty, around the harbor here, take a little ride around and enjoy the sights here. All right. Over here is dedications. I don't want to tell you the correct name, right? So I do not want to give you the wrong name. Let's see the let's see this dedication over here, and then I can show you the stelas with the names of heroes. 1941 to 1945, erected by the United States of America in proud and grateful remembrance of her sons who gave their lives in her service and who sleep in the American coastal waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Into thy hands, O Lord. So the names of those brave sailors are engraved and memorialized on these walls. It's all in alpha order. Alright, so if you come, you can identify the names on here. And for example, and I hope the family don't take this as disrespect, you can come and you can recognize names. Alright, Belle Morgan, Second Lieutenant, the Air Corps from Washington. They have Herbert Better, the Sergeant, the Air Corps from New York. So these are all heroes, and you can come and choose the names out here. There are it's back, it's on each pillar, it's back in front, and there are all the names are listed from the state they're from: New Jersey, District of Columbia, Alabama, Texas, Maryland, all over. So there are 4 stelas on one side, 4 on the other, and they all memorialize the names of the airmen so honored. And so the airmen the sailors who gave their lives in the defense of this nation. All right, so all right, let's keep walking. park police. You know, on a summer day, on a sunny summer day, there are very long lines of people waiting to get on the boats, on the cruise, go around the Statue of Liberty, go around the Lower Harbor, and come back. So it's a very popular cruise. Come and enjoy. This is New York City. This is Lower Manhattan. Right out there, there is a ferry coming in. Right out there. It's shrouded a bit, and it's not very clear. But it's right out there in the harbor coming in. Right? So, in the video I did last week, I was over at Little Ferry, and you can walk from here all the way up on the water course. There is a roadway underwater that goes from here all the way up. You can walk up by Little Ferry, which is up by 40th Street. Sorry, that was wrong. Up by 14th Street. All right. You can walk up to Little Ferry on that side. You can walk up to Chelsea Piers, Pier 57. They're all underwater and right out there.
I feel like I just wanted to see the Statue of Liberty.
There's a lot to see, and you can do it all the way up on the waterfront. Right. And again, it's not a sunny day today, although it's very pleasant out here. Not as cold as it would be at this time of year. It's unusually warm. Lots of people out here without a jacket. That tells you how warm it is. Let's see, it's 52. Currently it's 52 degrees. All right, so the 52 degrees, 52 degrees Fahrenheit. You know, like I always do, I tell you what it is in Celsius as well. So let's check it out in Celsius. Let's convert it. So we converted 52 degrees, and we have the measuring in Celsius. Celsius is 11.11 degrees Celsius. All right, so that's how warm it is today. Standing from here, let's take a look at the skyline. All right, that's the Lower Manhattan skyline. Just from around here, let's take a look from around here.
This is like the bottom,
So, let's walk. So if you ever hear anyone talking about a Battery, they're talking about this area of Lower Manhattan. This is Battery Park. Battery Park is built right here, the original New York Harbor, which is back behind this wall. It was a big point of entry for people coming into the United States of America. Okay, people will process at Ellis Island, and lots of them was brought from Ellis Island over to this area. This statue here, it doesn't have it does have a designation. It's the immigrants, dedicated to the people of all nations who entered America through Castle Garden. Right, the memory of Samuel Rudin, from Samuel Rudin, 1896 to 1975, whose parents arrived in America in 1883. So that's the dedication on the statue here, right? So this is Battery Park, and we get a clear view of the skyline right there. See the World Financial Center back there, the stippled antenna at the top. We're right here at Battery Park City, right there. Alright, let's see more. Now, let's do this. Let's keep walking. Now, this is Castle Clinton. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. it's open. The Castle Clinton National Monument. Alright, so let's go a little bit closer. Alright, Castle Clinton. Alright, this sandstone fort was built in 1811 as one of 5 forts erected to defend New York Harbor. The fort originally stood on a small island that was linked to Manhattan by a 200-foot wooden causeway and drawbridge. In the 1850s, Landfill extended Battery Park to this point. So one time, guys, all of these that we're standing on here was water, part of the Hudson River. Alright, the D-shaped fort held 28 cannons but never saw military action. In 1823, the US Army gave Castle Clinton to New York City, which used the structure in many ways over the next century. Alright, this Castle Clinton, this fort was named, it was first called Southwest Battery. It was renamed Castle Clinton in 1815 for DeWitt Clinton. DeWitt Clinton was one of New York's governors. Alright, so this is Castle Clinton. This is a fort. So let's see if we can walk in here and give you just a little view of Castle Clinton.
But the difference is, here it was set up.
Am I allowed to film around? Thank you so much.
It was
So
by the Irish and
the restrooms right here. We'll just give it just a little look around. Of course, barracks are always on the ground in these forts. Let's walk around. There are statues there of George Washington, I think Theodore, and of course Teddy Roosevelt, right there. See, there are plaques on the wall. Grant's tomb. Grant's tomb is further up along the Hudson River. See, Grant was president in 1868. We have okay, National Park Service sites. These are just different sites. Edison's Lab is in West Orange, New Jersey. Eleanor Roosevelt's home. Fire Island, Gateway, home of FDR in Hyde Park, New York. Sagamore Hill in Oyster Bay, New York. There's country estate of Teddy Roosevelt. Vanderbilt Mansion in Hyde Park, New York. Here's one of the cannons that was in the... I don't know if this is one of the original cannons from South Battery Fort. If you can get a clear look, and I'll try to give you one later. Right out here is this cannon. There would have been many such cannons, but there is Fort Hamilton, and there is another fort outside of Staten Island, and they all cover the entrance to the bay. All right, so I guess any enemy coming in would have been taking fire from lots of different directions. All right, so this is Castle Clinton. Oh, this is the back of it. There really isn't much to see in there. It's just an old structure, an old historic structure. Again, Castle Clinton did not see any action, and Castle Clinton was turned over to New York State by the Army. Right, just like Governor's Island right out there in the harbor was turned over to New York State. by, I think that was during the time of President Bill Clinton. So just a little history of the area, folks. All right, so I had promised in an earlier video that I'll take you around Battery Park. So I wanted to do it on a sunny day, but unfortunately I do not have sun today, but let's walk around and see it anyway. All right, again, there's the New York skyline, prominent in many of the videos that I'm doing. Again, guys, if this is your first time here on my channel, please consider subscribing. Please like, share, comment on the videos. Let me know what you like and what you'd like to see. And of course, we'll find it and bring it to you. There is, in the distance, again, it's right there is the tower. Right up there is the World Trade Center complex. Right, beautiful skyline. And there goes the cruise over there, Statue City Cruises. They're off into the mist to the Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty is shrouded in mist right over there. This is New York City, guys. We're right here by the harbor. American Merchant Mariners Memorial, dedicated to the merchant mariners who served America from the Revolutionary War through the present day. In the prosecution of war and in the pursuit of peaceful commerce, unrecognized, thousands have lost their lives at sea. Their sacrifices have helped secure America's liberty and prosperity. The sculpture was inspired by a photograph of the victims of a submarine attack on an American merchant ship during World War II. Left to the perils of the sea, the survivors later perished. It's a very sad story, and a memorial to those brave and intrepid souls. There is Pier A right there. All right, we can't go through there, so I'll have to go back around. The sun is making an attempt to break through the clouds. Maybe shortly we'll have some sunshine, some sunlight out here. Today I'll only stay in the park. I'm not gonna go further than the park. So, didn't want to stay away, just wanted to get a video out to you today and show you a little bit of Battery Park. Yep, so let's check out what this, here is a memorial here. The New York Korean War Veterans Memorial. And here are the donors. Lots of donors to that memorial. Right, the name of all the companies that have contributed to the erection of this memorial. There is a soldier, America, Korea, and there you see a number of flags for allies. All right, so United States of America, 54,246 dead, 103,248 wounded, and 8,177 listed as missing. So here are the countries that participated in that war. The Republic of Korea, they had 58,000 dead. Australia, 339 dead. Belgium, 107 dead. Canada, 291 dead. Colombia, 140 dead. Denmark was represented. Ethiopia, 120 dead. France, 288 dead. Greece, 194. India participated, Italy participated. Luxembourg, 2 dead. The Netherlands, 120. New Zealand, 42. Norway, 2. The Philippines, 92. South Africa, 20. Sweden participated. No loss of life reported. Thailand, 114. Turkey, 721. The United Kingdom, 909 dead. The United Kingdom and the United States have been the closest of friends and the closest of allies, and it makes sense, right? The United States, the original settlers in the United States, well, let me go back. The original European settlers in the United States came from England. All right, they were fleeing persecution, so they basically came from England. So you go back to the story of the Mayflower. I know, I'm going to get some folks saying that there were others here who came before the European settlements, but that's up for another discussion and another day, right? I am not taking away anything from anyone saying such. But let's say that the settlements that we all know is a settlement by the British, Plymouth Rock, and so forth, the Mayflower. All right, so, and the early territories in the United States, when they got together and declared their independence from Great Britain, fought the Civil War, fought a Revolutionary War. Lots of lives lost. But in the years since, there has been such a bond between the United States and the United Kingdom, the staunchest of allies, bonds unshakable. Right? Giovanni da Verrazzano. Right? I think Giovanni da Verrazzano, if I recall, statue dedicated to Giovanni da Verrazzano, there is him on top. And this is, I know that statue, maybe the same face as the Statue of Liberty. I don't know, guys. This is Victoria Victrix, let me know. There can be no doubt, whatever, as to Verrazzanos entering New York Harbor in 1524. So, Giovanni da Verrazzano entering the harbor, 1524. He came off the Atlantic Ocean. Verrazzano Bridge is in that direction, right at the end of the Hudson River as it empties into the ocean. Right, let's walk. So I'm gonna get out of the park. They're doing a lot of renovations down here. That's why you see lots of barricades, temporary structures, and so forth. And I think we're blocked out here. No exits over here, so we have to go back around. Where's the closest exit out here?
Follow the gate all around.
All around. Thank you. All right. So, yep, they're doing a lot out here, so we can't exit there. Okay, here's a map of the Battery. All right, this is a map of the Battery. Battery Place, State Street, the harbor over here, the ferry to Staten Island, to the Statue of Liberty over there. Staten Island at the other, at the further end. So that's your map of the Battery. So all right, let's take a walk out here. Now I want to take a ride on the water, but it's not a very it's not a bright day. The sun is struggling to break through some clouds. It's not really succeeding. Outside is wet still because it rained a bit. Over here is a beautiful place, always beautiful out here. You can always come out here, check this out, enjoy the scenery. Right, open to the public anytime you want to come in. Okay. Guys, that's a view of the battery for now. I'll come back and contrast it another day, another summer sunny day, so you'll have a contrast of what it's like in the summer and what it's like at this time of the year. Here's the little mall right out here. Certain functions are held there. You can chill out on the lawn, on the mall here. Beautiful in the summer, beautiful to do in the summer. But now, it is the winter, of course, and it's not as populated as it normally would be in the summer. Plus, it's wet out here. So let's exit the park. And again, we're right here outside the give you a view of the skyline right over there. It's Bowling Green. One of the entrances to Bowling Green Station. Here, this is right off State Street.
Guys, you guys interested?
Right off State Street here, guys. There's one other step. All right, so guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Again, if it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to see in New York or in the surrounding, and I'll be certain to get it for you. Okay? Have a great day, guys, and thanks for visiting my channel. Bye.